Hello and welcome everybody. CVNA stock today. Let's start step by step. If you are new to this video, don't forget to subscribe and like, and let's start for this price prediction. So according to what we wanted to see on this type of stock on for our update, this goes to refer for us that is going to be such important for every stock to be explained. So according to what we want here on 0 and 1 financial level. Okay, however, this movement that we notice during this part, okay, I think this increase would result for another increase since this stopped increasing in this form. Okay, with a small movement here, so the spike could make the 7 stock go below, go above until it reaches this form. So I think it is going to be slash first 0 1 Fibonacci level, and this is going to be second one. So that's going to be fine and going to be explained on this video about the 7 stock or Carvana stock technical analysis. Good luck.